Welcome to the unboxing of the latest model of Java Siloru 3. I have here with me in Viagra group set 53 and blue color. So now let's check the component and the specification. Let's start to the frame. Java Siloru aluminum tapered head tube, carbon tapered steerer fork, flat mount disc brakes, aero alloy seat post, BB68, and the internal routing cable. And now let's check the components. Let's start from the saddle. Saddle decaf head, Deca 100 mm 31.8 stem, Java Deca 31.8 alloy drop bar handlebar, Shimano Viagra hydraulic brake clamps with 160 mm rotors. Just for another information, the hydraulic brake calipers added. It comes with the normal and stock of the bicycle. Viagra front derailleur, Viagra rear derailleur, 11 to 28 speed cassette, and a 2-speed for the front. Deca crank for 50 by 34 compact chainring speed, and the Deca road bike pedal. So these are all you can get to the latest Java Siloru 3. There's another 2 variant in group set you can choose. These are Sora group set in 18 speed and Deca group set in 22 speed. Now let's have a road trial with this latest model of the Java Siloru 3. Simply beautiful. wood framework material in Tayага group set, lightweight, and it's excellent